Hi, my name is Sarah, and I got a Notion consultation by Ian yesterday, and it was extremely helpful. First of all, I had a few questions prepared that I was struggling with, and he answered them immediately, quite extensively, and provided new perspectives and inspiration and suggestions how I could do things and how I could solve my problems that I didn't see. I think that was also the best part about the consultation, that with his expertise, he was able to provide me new suggestions and really just like perspectives of how I could approach things. Yeah. Also, he went way beyond the questions that I had prepared, since they got answered quite easily. I could come up with more questions, which I did. And he also just suggested things by himself based on what I told him, and yeah, suggested solutions, which was extremely helpful. Yeah, so overall, I think he was extremely nice and also really well versed. I felt very comfortable, and yeah, the consultation was great, very helpful, and I've also started to implement the things that we discussed and that he suggested to me. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend him to you if you have any specific questions to Notion in general, or also just need an overall second opinion, second pair of eyes. Think he can definitely help you with anything in regards to Notion. Thank you, Ian.